Let's read. Read the words when they get yellow. Ready? Elmer ate his breakfast of bread, milk, and banana. After eating, he brushed his teeth. He washed his face and combed his hair. He changed his clothes, then put on his shoes. Then Elmer got his school bag. He looked inside the bag to find out if everything he needed in school was there. Before he left, Mother said, "Bring your raincoat. It's dark outside." Comprehension check. Answer these questions by writing the correct letter on your notebook. Ready? Let's begin. Question number 1. Why did Mother ask Elmer to bring his raincoat? Letter A. The sun was very bright. Letter B. It was going to rain. Letter C. The day was very hot. Write your answer now. Number 2. Where was Elmer going? Letter A. To school. Letter B. To the market. Letter C. To a party. Write your answer now. Number 3. What time of the day was it? Letter A. Noontime. Letter B. Afternoon. Letter C. Morning. Write your answer now. Are you done? Let's check your work. Number 1 question. Why did Mother ask Elmer to bring his raincoat? The answer is letter B. Mother asked Elmer to bring his raincoat because it was going to rain. Number 2. Where was Elmer going? The answer is letter A. Elmer was going to school. Number 3. What time of the day was it? The answer is letter C. It was morning. Did you get the correct answers?